Money problems don't always come from not earning enough. They often come from spending like you already have more. The truth is, most people live one step ahead of their paychecks, chasing comfort but creating stress. Living below your means isn't about being cheap or boring. It's about being smart. It's the quiet habit that turns financial chaos into control. The people who master it don't feel restricted, they feel free. Because when your money lasts longer than the month, life starts to feel a lot lighter. 1. Redefine what living below your means. Really means living below your means doesn't mean living without joy. It means living with control. Too often people think it's about strict budgets, no fun, and constant sacrifice. But the truth is, it's about choosing where your money goes and making it work for you. It's spending less than you earn so you can have freedom later, not stress. You're not saying no to life. You're saying yes to stability, peace, and smarter priorities. When you change how you see money, it stops being a burden and becomes a tool to build the life you actually want. 2. Track your spending to gain power, not guilt. Many people avoid checking where their money goes because it makes them feel bad. But tracking your spending isn't about guilt, it's about awareness. When you know exactly where your money goes, you stop feeling lost and start feeling in control. Every time you track a purchase, you're not judging yourself. You're learning about your habits. You'll find small leaks, subscriptions you forgot about, daily habits that add up, and fixing them gives instant results. The goal isn't to count every cent forever, it's to see patterns, make smarter decisions, and use money with purpose instead of impulse. 3. Cut costs that don't add value. Keep what truly matters. You don't need to give up everything you enjoy to live below your means. The trick is cutting out the things that don't make your life better. Maybe it's a streaming service you never use or takeout that doesn't even taste good anymore. When you remove what doesn't matter, you make room for what does. Things that truly make you happy. Spend on experiences, hobbies, or comfort that bring real value. Living below your means is not about less. It's about more of the right things. You'll feel lighter, happier, and still financially smart while enjoying life on your terms. 4. Build small financial wins that feel rewarding. Big goals can feel far away, but small wins keep you motivated. Saving even $50 a month, paying off one small debt, or hitting a budget target can give you a rush of progress. Celebrate those wins. They matter. The secret to living below your means is making it feel good, not restrictive. Each win reminds you that you're improving your future, step by step. Over time, these tiny victories add up to something powerful: confidence. When you see proof that your actions are working, you naturally want to keep going. Progress is addictive, especially when it feels rewarding. 5. Invest in what grows your future, not your image. Many people waste money trying to look successful instead of building real success. Living below your means doesn't mean ignoring nice things. It means choosing what truly pays off. Spend on skills, education, or tools that help you earn more later. Put money into savings, stocks, or side hustle instead of chasing trends that fade in a week. Every dollar you invest in your growth creates freedom and options for your future self. You don't need to impress anyone. Your balance, not your image, will speak for you. Real wealth is quiet, steady, and built by smart choices today. Living below your means isn't about cutting joy. It's about gaining control, peace, and freedom with your money. When you spend wisely, track your habits, and invest in what truly matters. You're not living less, you're building more. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and share it with someone who could use these tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on money, mindset, and personal growth. More simple, life-changing strategies are on the way. Stay curious and keep learning.